Email is very important part of parcel of our life. We can never do any types of online work without this email. So most of the business owners or people want to get lots of Gmail or email account. You can do it, or you can sell your email account to them easily. In this video I want to share how it will get paid $200 by selling one email, per email, within 30 seconds. So in this video you will get this total information. And on the other hand, I would like to share three websites to sell your Gmail account for earning more and more. So this website is called www. Hey, this is Make Money Online. I upload a video to teach you how to make money online in every single day. And if you are a newbie and first time didn't you subscribe the channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of notifications for earning extra cash from online. And if you want to get lots of videos on make money online, just like this and keep watching. I appreciate my videos. Smash the like button now and share more and more. On the other hand, I cordially request to subscribe my first channel. This is called Learning and Earning Tube. And if you didn't subscribe this one, also please subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of learning and earning related videos from this platform. So let's get started. Alright, this is called fiverr.com. You know, lots of works are available on fiverr.com. If you don't have any Fiverr account, just you have to create a Fiverr account by watching my previous videos from my YouTube channel. And after creating this account, just you have to search about Google email and how you will sell your Google Gmail account on this fiverr.com. There are lots of gigs you are watching, or as you can see here. And just if I open this one gig, I will get the total information. I will collect verified email for your niches or business, and this guy will sell this email $5. I will collect 300 verified email for your niches or business related. And if I click on this standard, and this guy will also 1000 verified email on $10. And then if you click on this premium, and this guy will 2000 verified email will sell on $20. So this is the best and easiest way to sell your Gmail account by using this fiverr.com. This is the highest paying. You can use this as a beginner or a newbie to sell your gig or to sell your service on this platform easily. Just you have to create an account after coming to this, and you must create the gig on this platform easily. So I cordially request to watch my previous videos how you will create a Gmail, how you will create a Fiverr account easily, and then you can sell your service for earning extra cash from here. Now I would like to share another one. This is called the buyscs.com. This one is the another for another selling platform of your Gmail account, and you will get these total features. And this guy is also will provide 1000 to 10,000 within $9, $10, $9, and lots of dollars are available. You can gain or ensure from this website easily. So first of all, you have to create an account on this platform for selling your Gmail account easily from here. So this one is the best and easiest way. Without previous knowledge or experiences, you can sell your Gmail account. I cordially request to watch my previous videos from my YouTube channel, and I have uploaded a video how you will create a Gmail account without any types of phone verification easily. So watch this video from here, and you will create lots of Gmail account within a short time. So now I would like to share another website. This is called playerup.com. How you will get this website? Just you have to come to this Google and just search about this one, playerup.com. If you come to this website, you will get these amazing features for selling your Gmail account on this platform easily. So first of all, you have to create an account. Just click on this sign up button here, providing all types of information to get connected with playerup.com. Then this is the platform you can sell your Gmail account. I mean, lots of Gmail account you will sell on this platform here. So this is the best and easiest. Right now I would like to share another tips and tricks which is very helpful for selling of your Gmail account on these three platforms. Number one, I mean fiverr.com. Number two is called buysccs.com, and number three is called playerup.com. I'd like to share these simple tips and tricks how you will get these various types of phone number after coming to this website. This is called receive smss.com. Receive.smss.com. This one is the pretty easiest platform to use for collecting any types of phone number or different types of phone number from here. So this one is United States, United Kingdom, lots of phone number here. You can collect from here without on the other hand, without any types of phone number, you can create a Gmail account for selling on these three platforms easily. So if you have a lots of phone numbers, you can use this receive.smss.com easily from here. This is my total video today. I would like to watch my previous videos from my YouTube channel. This is called Make Money Online, and if you click on this playlist here, you will get lots of Make Money Online related latest videos from this platform easily. And if you want to create a YouTube channel and all the basic tools you will get from this playlist here. If you just click on this, and you will get these amazing videos from this playlist here. On the other hand, if you didn't subscribe my first channel, this is called Learning and Earning Tube, just subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from this YouTube channel. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.